Hello guys, Figma has introduced a great feature. It's really beautiful feature. Those who are using Figma, I'll show it to you. You can copy any design from anywhere, to Figma, and then you can export it also. You might know it. So I'll tell you what exactly you need to do. If you want to copy Nokia.com for an example. This is the website, Nokia's official website. What I'll do, I'll just copy this thing and I'll go to this plugin option and just select HTML to design and see, now you can just paste it here and that's it. You need to just import it. It's very useful. I'll show it to you that it is editable also. It's really an awesome feature. You can use with the pro feature. So many things are there, add hyperlinks and all these things. You can check that and you can click go and just wait for a couple of seconds and the design, see now the entire website is there. The entire website is there and it's really quite editable. I'll show it to you. Let me just show it to you. So you can do anything here, right? So it's quite editable. Everything is there. As many as pages you can do that. It's really a kind of blessings for those who are using Figma. Even those who are not using Figma can start using it now. You can export it or Figma to HTML or anything. I mean, whatever technology you are using. So it's really awesome. Thank you for watching.